In front of me is HP ProBook 450, and in this video I will show you how to check the manufacture date of your laptop. So to check the date of manufacturing, you'll have to tap right here, then type CMD in order to open the command prompt. And once you see it right here, open it and input the command, which I will show you right now, the WMIC BIOS get release date, and press enter once you're finished. And as you can see here, we can check the release date. This first 8 symbols are year, month and day. So this laptop was manufactured on June 24th, 2015. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.